Payment Card Verifier can help to easily identify counterfeit payment cards anytime, anywhere, without computer or network connectivity. We designed the Payment Card Verifier to help retailers and police forces in the fight against card fraud. It has been developed with and is used by anti-card fraud groups within major UK banks and many UK and European police forces to detect counterfeit or skimmed cards. Merchants also use Payment Card Verifier at point of sale to reduce fraud by checking credit and debit cards before any payment is processed. Simply swipe the card through the reader before processing a transaction. Specifically designed firmware decodes all magnetic stripe data and displays user-friendly text on screen. Compare the data displayed on the screen with the printed and embossed data on the card. It even tells you the card scheme, for example Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and if there should be a chip present on the front of the card. If the screen and visible card data don't match, then the card is likely to be counterfeit. This allows you to identify and stop counterfeit cards from being processed, avoiding fraudulent transactions. You may be thinking, if we use chip cards in Europe, how can swiping the magnetic stripe help prevent fraud? Fraudsters use real credit cards, but they modify the magnetic stripe data. These cards will have a tampered or non-working chip, which makes the retailer need to fall back to magnetic stripe when processing a transaction. For a high-value purchase, the store will have to make a decision to continue with the mag stripe transaction and risk the card being fraudulent, or turn away a high-value sale, possibly offending the customer if the sale is not continued. Using the Payment Card Verifier, merchants can be more confident that the card is legitimate before making a decision to potentially turn away a high-value spend. Payment Card Verifier acts as a protective barrier, helping merchants make a decision before continuing or declining transactions. It also acts as a deterrent for possible fraud in the future if criminals are aware of in-store protection. For more information, click the link in the description or visit promageurope.com.